Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to use Command picture hanging strips. These are absolutely awesome. They are a fantastic way, a great method for hanging your pictures easily and then removing those hangers damage-free without damaging the wall, without damaging the paint, without having to patch up any holes in the wall. They're awesome. I love using them, and that's why I wanted to do this tutorial. Let's get right into the video. First and foremost, you want to open up the package and you want to decide how many you are going to use. For myself, I know that they're a little bit more pricey than the simple old school, nail and hook that you would use to hang a picture. But just to be safe, I don't want pictures falling off the wall, so I like to go overboard. I like to use 4 of them for each picture. Now make sure the weight rating is correct for the picture that you're hanging. So this package right here, you can see that it holds 12 pounds, okay? Make sure you know how many you are using to create that 12-pound hold. And the picture that I will be hanging is really lightweight, like well under a pound. But I like to just be sure that it's not going to fall off the wall. Okay, let's get right into it. So I'm going to use my 4 pairs. So however many holding points you want on the picture, each of those requires a pair. Okay, you have 2 options. You can peel them apart. Don't take off the sticky tabs. You can peel them apart and stick them together with the Velcro side touching each other. So I stuck them together like that. Or you could do what I do, which is they come like this, right? They're already stuck together. I just fold them over, just like that, okay? And I push them together. That's the way I do it. It's nice and quick and easy. Just fold them over like that. It makes the job nice and simple. I'm going to throw these on the floor. They're getting in my way, these other packages, okay? Fold them over, or you got to connect the Velcro in one way or another. Next up, you want to get your picture. Now, I'm going to hang the picture over here, so I'm going to get the appropriate picture because I know my wife has chosen this one to go on the right side of the wall right here. I've already made my markings on the wall, okay, because you don't want to have to pull it off and redo it. The point of this is you want to make your markings, boom, stick it on the wall. I have the picture here. I'm going to place one command picture hanging strip in each of the 4 corners of the picture, okay? Make sure the picture is clean. Make sure it's nice and flat. You don't want it where there's like grooves on the back or anything. Make sure it's nice and flat. What I'm going to do, take one of them, peel off only one side of the picture hanging strip. So I've peeled off one side. Take that side that you've peeled off, the sticky part, and you want to place it wherever you want in the picture. So like I said, I'm going to do mine in all 4 corners, like that. Now you're supposed to hold it for about 30 seconds to maybe even a minute. But what I do is I just kind of rub it on there, and then as I place the picture on the wall momentarily, then I hold it in place for, 30 seconds to a minute. So I'm going to do that with all 4 corners. Take off the sticky part, place it on the other side, making sure that this is the right way. This should be good to go. I don't want to place it upside down or anything like that, the picture, because then I'm going to have to redo it when my wife gets home. So I'm going to place it appropriately. So get all 4 of them, put them on. This is a simple process. Like I said, the way I look at it is this. I'm placing these pictures up. They're going to probably be hanging here for at least 10 years, hopefully longer. But I would think at least 10 years before we decide to change them, or this is in my daughter's room, before my daughter decides to change the pictures, whatever the case is, right? So the extra price that I'm paying for these is an extremely low cost, considering the fact that we can just take them off at any time without damaging the wall, as long as you do it properly. Okay, you got to take them off properly. Make sure you research how to take them off. You might see a familiar face if you look up how to remove them. Just saying. Go smash the like button on this video and on that video. It's a small price to pay. I spend more than the difference on that in like coffee in like 2 days, okay? So it's very simple. If I'm buying a high-end coffee, I'm gonna be wasting more money than the entire cost of using these instead of the old school nail and hooks. Very simple, so, let's not get into that. Now, when you're ready to place it on the wall, make sure you know exactly where it's going, okay? And I already drew a line on here that's level where I need it to be. So you can use a level. If you have someone helping you, you can have them hold the level on top of the picture, but I already drew a line that's level, so I just have to follow this line. And I have my line over here where I want the edge of the picture to be as well. What you want to do, peel off all of the backings of these sticky tabs, exposing all of the sticky adhesive that will hold the picture onto the wall, okay? I'm just throwing these on the ground. I'm going to clean them up at a later time. Once you've done that, you're ready to go. Now remember, you want to get this on the wall one shot. You're not going to be moving it after. It's not like when it has the cord at the back, the string, the rope, whatever you want to call it. You want to get this on and it's done, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm holding it, okay, slightly off from the wall. Let's make sure it's the right way again. Okay, we're good to go. I don't want to have to redo this, all right? Although it is easy to redo, I don't want to have to redo it. I'm holding it slightly off of the wall. I'm lining it up with my side marking, and I'm lining it up with my level marking. So I know that this picture is going to be level. What I'm going to do now, just nicely place the picture on the wall, okay? Just like that, just like that. Now, it's being held onto the wall. Now you're gonna hold for about 30 seconds. I like to just, I don't time it. Just press down on the corners where the tabs are, okay? Just do that, you'll be good to go. You don't have to hold every tab 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 30 seconds. No, none of that nonsense. Just get your hands, mash it onto the wall like that, and you're good to go. Check it out, done. No hammering, no dust, no nail, no hook. If I need to take the picture off temporarily, I pull it off. I can leave the tabs on the wall. I can leave the sticky tabs on the wall, the command picture hanging strips on the wall. I can place the picture back on, or I can remove those, and I can easily redo it. I'll give you one example. Hold on one second. I have some letters here that I'm going to be placing on the wall as well, and as you can see, I've left this part on the letter. So now all that I have to do is you do half of the job of what I just did. Basically, I gotta be placing other ones on here, then sticking them on the wall. So you can, if you remove the picture, you can leave these on, and if you move the picture to another location, you just have to place the wall portion of the command picture hanging strips. Very simple, very easy. I hope that you've enjoyed this video tutorial on how to use command picture hanging strips. It has been an easy tutorial. If you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.